Hi, hello my loving people. Welcome to today's episode. ముందుగా తెలుగు వాళ్ళందరికీ నా నమస్కారం. అదే కదండి మన సంస్కారం. Today I am going to prepare Muntha Masala. Muntha Masala is a delicious Andhra street food. It's also known as pidtha kinda Pappu, Muntha kinda Masala. It's one of the famous street food. So come on, let's start the process. The required ingredients are puffed rice, cornflakes, chaat masala, red chili powder, salt, baking soda, basin flour 1 cup, peanuts, chopped onions, tomatoes, lemon and coriander. Take a bowl and add basin flour, add required amount of baking soda, add required amount of salt, add required amount of water, mix it well. Once batter get ready, now dip the tomatoes in the batter. Slowly drop into a hot oil. Do the same process for the remaining tomatoes. Fry these bondas on a low flame. Stir it occasionally. Fry it on all sides. Now transfer these tomato bhajis into a bowl. In the same oil, now drop the peanuts into the oil. Fry it on a low flame. Once peanuts get fried, now transfer this into a bowl. Now add cornflakes into the hot oil. Once it was fried, now transfer into a bowl. Now cut the tomato bhajis into small pieces and keep it aside. Take a bowl and add chopped bhaji pieces. Add chopped onions. Add roasted peanuts. Add required amount of salt. Now add chaat masala. Add red chili powder. Add puffed rice. Now add fried cornflakes. Squeeze some lemon juice. Add chopped coriander. Now slowly mix everything with giving pressure to the mixture. Mix everything properly. Here I am taking a small pot for serving this and add this mixture into the pot. For garnish purpose, add some chopped onions over the top. Add some roasted peanuts. Add some chopped coriander. For garnish purpose, add some save on the top. That's all. The Muntha Masala was ready. You can serve this with your friends and family members.